Hey, now you can create AI animations inside Sloyd using AI and just a text prompt, like this guy over here. And the way to do it starts by how you generate the model. Let's go into text to 3D and see over here when you open the settings, there's a toggle to turn T-pose on. T-pose means that the 3D model will be created with the hands stretched to the side. That's the best way to create animations. Now let's go and look into in my activity and look at some of my 3D models. This guy over here, for example, is in a T-pose. Another option that works are hands down, straight down next to the legs. This is called an A pose. That's also okay. You don't want characters holding something like this guy with a gun, or you don't want them in a strange position, hands ups, right? If you do have something like that and you want to use it, you can also always go into edit image and here write change the character stand to a T pose like that, and create a picture ready for animation, or yeah, and then turn it into 3D. But while it's working, let's go and jump into my activity again and take this character over here and press animate. And let's start with walking. It's asking me, is it a T-pose? Well, it is. This takes a few seconds. The first time you do it, it could take up to 60 seconds because it also goes through a process of rigging. That means adding bones to the 3D model. The second time, where it's already rigged, it just takes a few seconds, and we've seen him now walking. Let's try something else. We could get him to run, or maybe climb. Climb looks cool. Okay, here's a good climber. Can even climb upside down. Okay, now we're gonna try text to motion, which is the ability to write whatever you want in a text. So let's have this guy moonwalk. Let's turn it like that and see him going backwards in a moonwalk. Very nice. Export works either in GLB or in FBX. Let me export that, and I'll show you also where to find it in activity. When you go into activity or community, there are now 3 tabs. You just need to go into animation, and you can see if you have the same character multiple times, you can see here the different type of animation or the animation prompt that you looked at. Now let's go and look in Blender. And here's our guy in Blender doing his moonwalk. If you see this, something like that, like a huge sphere when you open it, it's just part of the animation. Just go and hide it over here. That's it. Hope you enjoy it.